Hi everyone, this is Tim Brown, and for this topic we're going to add titles to our iMovie project. So as you can see here, I have some clips on my timeline here, and you can have photos or video, doesn't matter. And when you select that clip, that video clip or that photo, you'll see that you'll bring up a menu along the bottom. You want to make sure though that you're choosing the menu on the very far bottom that says text. Make sure that one is selected. When you select that, you'll see that there's a menu that appears above, and you actually see a bunch of different text options that are animated. Those different animations that you see are the type of animations you'll be adding to your project. So let me just go through the different options. This is a thematic option. I'll explain that in a bit. And the other ones just offer different types of animations, as well as different types of fonts. Each one will give you the option to place the text in the center. If you look down below, you can see a tiny little menu that also gives you an option to place it in the lower left, or in some cases in the lower right. Now it's easy to add text. Once you see the text that you want, you just simply tap once on screen, and it will give you the option to add your text. It's really that simple. And the part that I want to share with you though is the option to add themed fonts or titles. So I'm going to go to that first one on the menu after none, and you see there's this really cool themed option that I've been using actually in my videos. You don't see the menu options right away, but you can find it by going up to the very top right corner and selecting this settings icon or tool icon. And you'll see a menu option appear. Right below the filter option, you'll see this option called theme. And there are a few thumbnails there. As you tap on those thumbnails, you'll see they will generate a different theme for the titles that you want to use. And what's nice about these options is that you also get the option to add an opening title, a middle title, and a closing title. And you can see those menus at the very bottom. So you can watch as I switch back and forth. Right now, this is the middle title for this theme. I can go to a closing title, which looks like this, or an opening title, which looks like this. Each one of those themes offer those three different options. So these are really fun options to include in your video projects. You just want to be careful about where you place them. For example, when you add a title, it will be applied to the entire project. So if you just want the title to appear, say, at the beginning of your project, you want to make sure that you have split those clips. So you see here I have a split mark here separating the first clip from the second clip. That means that the title will only be added to this first clip and not the second clip. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Have fun adding titles to your iMovie project.